Minasan konnichiwa, Rampant Sensei desu, and in this video I'm going to show you how to write and remember the hiragana ta line. So in our last video we learnt the sa line, which was sa, shi, su, se, so. In this video the sounds change a little bit as the ta line has ta, but instead of what should be ti we have chi. Then what we would expect to be tu is tsu. Then we're back to normal with te and to. And let's start with ta. And this one is nice and easy, as if I put a line here and a line there, it spells out the English letters ta, ta. Okay, so when you're drawing this, draw the top of the T first, then a straight line, and then this is like kot for coin from the cut line. And then you're done, that's ta. And we can remember that as ta for ta. And the next one is chi. And it is chi for cheese ball on a skewer. And there's a cabana sausage up there as well. So that's chi for cheese ball, and how you're going to draw it first is draw the cabana sausage, then the skewer, and then half of the cheese ball down there. And that's chi for cheese ball on a skewer. The next one is su, and it is su for tsunami wave. There's a tsunami wave there, okay? Su for tsunami, it's actually used in the word tsunami. And when you're writing it, start over here, curve it all the way around, and just stop about halfway here, okay? So that's su for tsunami. And the next one is te for broken tennis racket. Maybe you've seen these tennis players go crazy when they lose and they smash their racket on the ground. Well, this could be one of those rackets because it looks like a broken tennis racket. And when drawing it, start from the left side, go a little bit across, and then do half of the racket there. So that's te for broken tennis racket. And the last one is to, and it is to for toe with a thorn sticking out of it. Okay, top for toe with a thorn sticking out of it. Draw the thorn first and then draw the toe. Now we can write a few words using the ta line. We can write ta and ko, which means octopus. We can write ta and su, which means add, tasu. We can write to and shi, which means city. And we can write I and chi, which means ichi, the number 1 in Japanese. And that's it for the ta line. The next video will be the na line. And you can find more videos like this and games to help you remember your hiragana at spacekoala.com.